Hello guys, welcome back to paintingminis. We will take on some spikes or bones. In this case I will use as a reference this Sunken Shaman from GreatGrimore, and we will paint today his spikes in some bonish style. So for the first step, just prime your bones or spikes or whatever you paint black and leave it to dry. In the next step we will use skunk brown from Citadel to paint some patterns. In the first layer just pick your bone and paint some straight lines, as in this case. I took the edge highlight for the first line, highlight the second edge, and paint a straight line between those two that you just created. If you're able to paste two thin straight lines, just do it, and do it for the rest of the spikes. So, as you can see, I painted the first one. I pasted 3 thin lines on all sides of the spike and below and on the other side. So just for this one, paint exactly the same pattern for rest of the spikes and leave it to dry. I finished the tiny lines on the spikes on all sides. I dried them. Now, for the next and final step, we will use Screaming Skull to highlight the spikes. We will paint on the exact same lines that we painted with skunk brown, but do not overpaint the whole area, but leave a tiny spot untouched. I painted the same area that we painted in the previous step with Screaming Skull, and this is the end result. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for attention. I hope you liked the short tutorial, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.